Watch this. A glowing moon created entirely with CSS. Let's recreate it together from scratch. All right, let's start coding. Basic HTML setup. We define the document type, set the language to English, and add a title for the page. Full screen dark background. It creates a deep night sky gradient and centers everything on the screen. Overflow hidden prevents stars and glow from leaking outside the viewport. Soft atmospheric glow. A blurred radial gradient forms the aura behind the moon. The pulse animation makes the sky subtly breathe. Slow ambient pulsing. The glow becomes slightly brighter and larger over time, adding life and depth to the scene. Tiny stars using box shadow. We draw a single 2-pixel dot and clone it many times using box shadow. This creates a sky full of stars with almost zero HTML elements. Subtle twinkling effect. The stars gently brighten and scale up for a realistic night sky motion. The moon shape. A layered radial gradient creates realistic shading. Inner and outer glows add depth and softness. The moon slowly floats to create a calm, relaxing animation. Craters using gradients. Each crater is a small circle with a shaded radial gradient and an inset shadow to create a 3D effect. Manual crater placement. Each crater has its own size and position for a natural, irregular moon surface. Smooth floating motion. The moon moves up and down, rotates slightly, and shifts brightness. The glowing edges also change throughout the animation, making the scene feel alive and atmospheric. Scene composition. Stars behind everything, the sky glow in the middle, and the moon with its craters on top. And that's it. A glowing moon made from nothing but CSS. If you want more videos like this, consider subscribing.